Powerful homemade cleaning products, to clean your entire home. We've written about the dangers of many store-bought household cleaning products. Most are loaded with harmful chemicals. In fact, the average household contains some 65 toxic chemicals, as environmental experts have reported, many of which have been linked to asthma, cancer, reproductive disorders, hormone disruption and neurotoxicity. Wasting your hard-earned money on chemical-filled cleaners that can harm your health, and the health of the environment just doesn't make sense when there are plenty of ways to make highly effective, homemade cleaning products that will cost you a fraction of the price without the hazards, including these. 1. All-purpose cleaner. White vinegar is one of the most versatile natural cleaning products you can have. It can be used in so many ways to keep your home free of mold, excess bacteria, and sparkling clean. In fact, experts say that using vinegar is just as effective as chemicals, if not more so. By combining it with another non-toxic natural cleaning agent like baking soda, you can use it to clean just about anything. Baking soda and white vinegar make the ideal all-purpose cleaner. Just add tea tree or lemon essential oil and it will have the ability to disinfect too. To make it, you'll need the following: ½ cup white vinegar, 2 tablespoons baking soda, 10 drops lemon or tea tree essential oil. We recommend plant therapy essential oils for their purity and price. First, combine the vinegar and essential oils in a spray bottle, and then add the baking soda and mix well. Add water to fill the bottle to the top. Gently shake to mix all ingredients. When ready to use, simply spray the area you'd likely to clean and then wipe it with a cloth. 2. Tile cleaner. Traditional tile cleaner available at the supermarket, hardware or home store is typically filled with dozens of contaminants. It's one of the worst offenders, with chemicals that have been linked to reproductive damage, hormonal problems, and even cancer. One 2010 analysis even discovered formaldehyde, benzene, and toluene, which are all components of gasoline, in the popular tile cleaner Comet. The good news is that you can say goodbye to Comet and others like it by making your own eco-friendly, chemical-free scrubbing paste. To make your own tile cleaner, you'll need the following: ½ cup baking soda, liquid Castile soap. Dr. Bronner's hemp peppermint version is ideal. 5 to 10 drops lavender, tea tree or rosemary essential oil. Place the baking soda in a mixing bowl and then slowly pour in the Castile soap, stirring until it looks like frosting, and then add the essential oil. To use, dip a sponge into the mixture and then scrub and rinse. For added power, cut a lemon in half and use it instead of a sponge. 3. Tough all-purpose bathroom cleaner. The bathroom is often the toughest room in the house to clean, so you really need a powerful cleaner to get the job done, and this recipe is particularly effective. If you've never heard of washing soda, it's simply a water-soluble sodium salt of carbonic acid, with proportions of sodium, carbon, and hydrogen that make it effective as a natural cleaner and cleaning booster. It's easy to find in the laundry aisle at the grocery store, and it's also available in bulk online and many other places. You can also make your own fairly easily, so we've added a recipe for doing so following the instructions for making the bathroom cleaner. To make the all-purpose bathroom cleaner, you'll need the following: 1 teaspoon borax, 1 teaspoon washing soda, 1 teaspoon liquid Castile soap, ½ cup white vinegar, 2 cups hot water, 25 to 30 drops tea tree, grapefruit, lemon or eucalyptus essential oil, available from Plant Therapy here. 24 ounces spray bottle. Combine the borax, washing soda, Castile soap, and white vinegar in a large bowl or measuring cup. Slowly add water and stir. Allow the mixture to cool and then add the essential oil. Pour it all into the spray bottle. Using a funnel, pour it into the spray bottle. To make your own washing soda, all you need is baking soda, a large baking dish and an oven. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour about a half-inch thick layer of baking soda on the bottom of your baking dish. Place it into the oven and bake for an hour, stirring once or twice in the middle during the process. When it's ready, it should change from a powdery feel, to a texture that's grainy rather than silky. Allow it to cool, and then store in an airtight jar. 4. Window Glass Cleaner. This window cleaner won't aggravate asthma, allergies or cause any other sort of negative health reaction like those store-bought window cleaners, and it does a fabulous job too. It contains a special secret ingredient, orange essential oil. Pressed from the peels of oranges, orange oil is extremely high in the chemical constituent D-limonene, which makes it one of the best cleaning agents there is, particularly for glass. To make it, you'll need the following: 1/4 cup white vinegar, ½ teaspoon natural liquid dish soap, 8 drops orange essential oil, 2 cups water. Put all ingredients in a spray bottle and shake to blend thoroughly. To use it, simply spray onto the window or glass surface, covering as much as you can, wiping it off a few minutes at a time. For tough spots, scrub as needed using the rough side of a kitchen sponge, and then squeegee it all off. Use a cotton cloth to dry off the blade of the squeegee between swipes, and to wipe up any liquid that might pool at the bottom edge of a window pane. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you. Do not forget to check out more videos that will appear shortly.